Finding your ideal oncological surgeon or surgical oncologist in Bangalore means seeking someone with the right mix of qualifications, technical skill, and genuine care. Choosing a surgeon isn't just about credentials on paper. It's about finding someone who understands your journey, someone who combines knowledge, skill, along with compassion. At Therapy, we treat the whole person, addressing the emotions and challenges that come with each unique cancer journey, but of course, each person. Cancer represents a life-altering journey that brings with it a whirlwind of emotions, decisions, and challenges. For patients and their families, navigating this complex path requires more than medical expertise alone. It demands trust, compassion, access to advanced treatments that offer genuine hope and tangible results. This is precisely where advanced oncology care steps in to change the game. Today, cancer treatment has come a long way. What was once invasive and overwhelming has transformed into a field where minimally invasive techniques and precision medicine lead the charge. These breakthroughs mean shorter recovery periods, fewer side effects, and most importantly, better outcomes. They're not just saving lives, they're improving how lives are lived during and also post-treatment. But here's the thing, having access to sophisticated treatments is not enough. The expertise of an oncologist can make or break this journey. Selecting the right surgical oncologist, for example, is like entrusting someone deeply with a valuable life. Bangalore, which is often recognized as a hub for medical excellence, is home to some of the best oncological specialists. Doctors like Kartik Prasad and Dr. Anil Kamath, who come with world-class credentials, offer a deeply empathetic approach to patient care. Their expertise and commitment to personalized patient care ensures that they receive the best of care. At the heart of it all is the simple truth. When it comes to cancer care, expertise and empathy must go hand in hand. And in therapy healthcare, you'll find both in abundance. When it comes to cancer surgery, expertise makes all the difference. A skilled surgical oncologist can mean the difference between a smooth recovery and prolonged complications with stay. This is because cancer surgery is as much an art as it is a science. It requires precision, in-depth knowledge, and most importantly, the ability to make split-second decisions on the table sometimes to ensure the best outcomes. For example, take minimally invasive techniques like laparoscopic, robotic-assisted surgeries. These advanced methods can significantly reduce recovery times, limit blood loss, reduce scarring, as well as pain, and improve recovery for the patient. They're not usually a one-size-fits-all solution. For some cancers, such as early-stage cervical cancer, traditional open surgery may still be the best route. That's where the expertise of the surgeon, understanding which approach to take and when, becomes absolutely critical. At Therapy, we are proud to have two of Bangalore's most respected surgical oncologists in our team, Dr. Kartik Prasad and Dr. Anil Kamath, who both bring decades of experience and immense dedication to their respective fields. Dr. Kartik Prasad's background in general surgery and oncology positions him as a trusted expert in complex cases. With Dr. Anil Kamath and his 25 years of experience with taking care of a huge variety of cancers, and with his immense training at Tata Memorial in Mumbai, and with his empathetic care, he brings what most cancer centers lack: a combination of compassion, extremely high-skilled knowledge, surgical skills, and empathy at the same time. What are the benefits of minimally invasive surgical techniques? Minimally invasive surgical techniques, which include laparoscopic surgeries, robotic surgeries, have transformed the care of cancer, offering patients a smoother, less daunting path to recovery. At a place like Therapy, we offer methods like laparoscopic and robotic surgeries that focus not only on eradicating the cancer, but also on shortening your stay and giving you a smoother recovery. Here is what makes minimally invasive techniques so effective and special. They come with smaller incision. So unlike traditional surgeries, which can leave large scars, lead to a lot of blood loss, minimally invasive approaches use incisions or cuts that are often smaller than an inch. This approach results in minimal scarring and a much faster return to feeling like yourself. There is much lesser pain. Smaller cuts means lesser blood loss, less disruption to surrounding tissues, significantly cutting down on post-surgery discomfort. For many, this translates to very few painkillers, a shorter admission, and a much faster recovery. Faster recovery because the body experiences less trauma. Patients are often able to leave the hospital sooner, shorter admissions, and resume their normal routines, get back to their jobs, go back to school, taking care of their children much faster. Every single day of faster healing will make a huge impact on your lifestyle. With smaller opening, there is less exposure to infections because of lesser bacteria penetrating through the barriers and lesser requirement for long course of antibiotics. As I mentioned earlier, much lesser blood loss, so not much requirement for either platelet or blood transfusions with these minimally invasive techniques. At Therapy, Dr. Kartik Prasad and Dr. Anil Kamath, two of Bangalore's leading surgical oncologists, bring unmatched expertise in minimally invasive techniques. Their patient-first approach ensures that every procedure is customized to your condition, age, and overall health, as well as keeping in focus your outcome. And that's the beauty of it. These techniques aren't just about the surgery, they're about giving you a better experience right from the start to the finish. At Therapy Healthcare, we believe that no single doctor has all the answers when it comes to a diagnosis as big as cancer. That's why we always have a multidisciplinary approach and find that it's very necessary to comprehensive planning for a patient's treatment. Having a team of experts, each with their own specialized skill, coming together to create a treatment plan that fits each patient's specific needs can come with an immense amount of skill, technique, and a lot of peace of mind to the patient. Having a multidisciplinary approach to a cancer diagnosis is like having the best minds in oncology working together just for you so that we can give you the best outcomes. This method offers both convenience and life-saving benefits. By integrating different perspectives, we ensure that every angle of your diagnosis is covered. A surgeon might focus on removing the tumor, while a medical oncologist evaluates whether targeted therapies or immunotherapy could enhance the results. They weigh the options, balancing effectiveness with your overall well-being at the center. But the benefits go beyond physical outcomes. Patients navigating cancer often feel overwhelmed by decisions. A multidisciplinary team simplifies this by presenting a cohesive plan so you're not left juggling opinions or juggling in between two places for different options. At Therapy, we consider this approach both a process and a promise. A promise to approach your care with expertise, empathy, and teamwork, all aimed at giving you the best possible outcome. Finding your ideal oncological surgeon or surgical oncologist in Bangalore means seeking someone with the right mix of qualifications, technical skill, and genuine care. At Therapy Healthcare, renowned specialists like Dr. Kartik Prasad and Dr. Anil Kamath bring their extensive international experience and expertise in advanced surgical techniques to deliver exceptional patient outcomes. The decision-making process can feel overwhelming. Let's face it, choosing a surgeon isn't just about credentials on paper. It's about finding someone who understands your journey, someone who combines knowledge, skill, along with compassion. Whether it's the use of advanced surgical techniques or the personalized protocols that are developed with a multidisciplinary team at hand, the goal remains constant: your recovery and, of course, a better quality of life with fantastic outcomes. At Therapy, we treat the whole person, addressing the emotions and challenges that come with each unique cancer journey, but of course, each person. And that's what sets us apart.